Hey guys, it's Ray O'Daniel and welcome back to the channel. If you love exploring hidden gems and stunning spots across the US, you're in for a treat today because we're checking out one of the coolest and most beautiful places in St. Louis, the Jewel Box. Whoa, you guys. The moment you walk in, you're hit with the smell of fresh flowers, damp soil, and this peaceful Zen-like vibe. If you're stressed, this place is a natural therapy session. This place looks like something straight out of a fairy tale, or maybe a sci-fi greenhouse. It's called the Jewel Box, and it's nestled right in the heart of Forest Park. And let me tell you, this place lives up to the name. It's absolutely sparkling with natural beauty. This Art Deco glass greenhouse was built way back in 1936 during the Great Depression, and it was actually part of a jobs creation project. So not only is it gorgeous, it's got some deep history too. Inside, the Jewel Box is basically a botanical paradise. We're talking seasonal floral displays, rare tropical plants, and sometimes, yes, there's even a little indoor waterfall. I mean, come on, it's giving rainforest vibes in the middle of Missouri. This is one of the most Instagrammable spots in the city. Whether you're a flower lover, a photography nerd, or just looking for a peaceful walk, you'll fall in love with this place. Trust me. All right, folks, that wraps up my visit to the Jewel Box here in St. Louis. It's calm, it's beautiful, and it's a total must-see if you're exploring Forest Park. And the best part? Admission is only $1. Yeah, you heard me right. $1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's the most beautiful garden or greenhouse you've ever visited? I want to know. Till next time, I'm Ray O'Daniel. Keep traveling, keep exploring, and keep finding those hidden gems. Peace.